Hi, I'm attorney Brian Tyson with the law firm of Marcelino and Tyson. And today I'd like to talk to you about settling your workers' compensation claim or employment claim. And more specifically, what I want to talk to you about is when you do the settlement agreement for those types of claims, what are some things you want to think about making sure you don't waive and that those things might be carved out so that you can preserve those claims for later. More specifically, what am I talking about here? If you're settling a workers' compensation claim or an employment claim, for example, maybe a disability claim under the Americans with Disabilities Act, one of the things you might want to make sure that you're carving out are any future claims to long-term disability benefits or health insurance benefits or even retirement benefits if you think there's been a problem with your retirement plan. And why am I wanting to bring this up to you today? So there's a recent case that's caused some concern. And in that case, the individual had signed an earlier general release. That means a release that generally waives everything, any type of claim the person had. But they had carved out, in other words, said they weren't going to waive these specific claims. And they said they weren't waiving any claims for vested benefits under employee benefit plans. Now, if you didn't waive any claims for vested benefits under employee benefit plans, I think most people would have thought that any retirement plan claims that I still have are safe, they aren't waived. But this court said no. This court said the language was not specific enough and that they had waived their claims. So how does this affect you? You want to avoid having the same type of problem. So if you're considering signing a waiver and settling your workers' compensation claim or an employment claim, you want to make sure that you carve out very specifically any types of claims that you're preserving. So again, you would want to make sure that those deal with your long-term disability claims or what have you, life insurance, health insurance, retirement, whatever it is that you might currently have. Let me speak for just a minute specifically with respect to workers' compensation claims because those are just a little different. Typically, if you are settling your workers' compensation claims, you will have two different settlement agreements. One will be what's called a clincher, and what that is just a settlement agreement of the workers' compensation claim itself. Now, you will oftentimes have a second agreement. It's going to be a general release that the employer and insurance company are asking you to sign. That's typically where it will have the general waiver of any and all claims. That's where you would want to try to make sure or consider whether you need to preserve your right to any disability benefits, retirement, or health. So same thing within an employment agreement that you are settling. So if you have that language in there that is preserving claims, you want to make sure it's as specific as possible. I hope this information is of help. If you have any questions, please visit us on the web at yournc, like North Carolina, attorney.com, or feel free to give us a call at 704-919-1519. I hope this information has been of help. Look forward to talking with you in the future. Thank you.